Since I went to my first ever barbecue at my auntie and uncle's place and they showed me how you can cook spare ribs on the barbecue, it's probably been my favorite thing to eat on a barbecue. The first thing I want to do is make my marinade. In the bowl, I want to put all this together. So the first thing is honey. This is hoisin, another one of those great Chinese sauces. Got Chinese 5-spice, then some star anise, Chinese cooking wine. Put that in. Brown sugar. The garlic, you can just do that. Just crush it to release the flavors, the oils. Same with the ginger. I'm not going to worry about peeling it. Again, I just want that flavor that comes out of it. And then I want a pinch of salt. Mix all that together. I just want my zest, and that is our marinade. Ribs on. All right, they are pretty much done. They've been on there for about, or even probably close to half an hour. It's a great recipe for out in the bush. So whether you're using the char grill plate on top of the Ozpig or the barbecue plate on top of the Ozpig, you'll still get that same flavor and that same creation at the end because you're just trying to caramelize the sugars that are in that marinade.